The Dongfeng compressed garbage truck in its 4x2 configuration is a specialized vehicle designed for efficient waste management. With a carrying capacity of 12 cubic meters, this truck is equipped to handle a significant volume of compressed garbage. This compression system helps to maximize the cargo capacity, enabling the truck to transport a larger amount of waste in a single trip, thus reducing the number of journeys required and improving overall efficiency. Additionally, the Dongfeng compressed garbage truck is designed with ease of use and safety in mind. LT features a user-friendly control system that simplifies operation for the driver.